we're about to go to a mobile phone place to ask for a phone pair. Show them the phone. Show them the phone.
Do you do phone pairs?
No.
Okay.
Man,
Yeah, yo,
like
show them the phone.
broken.
Show them the phone.
My
Yeah,
phone's
damn, show them
broken.
the whole thing. Yes, damn. That phone be broken. Oh, where's the phone thing? Right here. Okay. Go in. We're about to enter. Show me the funniest thing. Go in.
You guys do phone repairs?
Yes.
Can you repair this for me?
What is this?
It's a
Samsung.
Samsung.
It doesn't seem like
LG. LG. Sorry.
No. Can't be repaired.
But what?
Can't get me.
Please, my mommy paid so much money for it, and she's gonna hit me if she finds it broken.
First of all, to get anything done, you have to call your mommy in. You have to call your mommy in. You can't come here by yourself.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh man, have a good day.
Thank you. Your mom is Trish?
What?
Your Trish's son?
No.
No?
Wait, what? Whose son?
Your mom's name. What's your mom's name? Trish?
No. If you couldn't repair my phone, I'm not happy. You guys use phone repairs?
I wish I could, man.
That doesn't need a repair now.
See the phone, guys. Yo. This is the best 2-minute video. I don't care, actually. I don't care how long it is. This is funny as fuck. Okay, guys. So, today's special. iPhone 13 Pro Max. $1,100 at the mobile hub. Today is the 28th of October, 2023. I'm going to be posting this once I get internet. Because I don't got data. So, yo, let's go into this shop. Bell. Let's go into Bell.
No, it's a payphone.
Yeah, let's
You want
go.
to go to a dentist?
Yeah. The dentist.
Are you kidding?
Yes. Yo, we're in the dentist asking if they do phone.
You guys do iPhone repairs? Yes. A dentist?
Oh, we thought this was a phone repair shop.
It said right there on the side. No, it said you guys repair phones. Bye.
Bye. Let's go in here.
No, not here.
Yo, why?
Because the person in there's a rapist.
He is?
Yes.
What about here?
Western Union? Yes. They do money exchange. Hello, do you guys do iPhone repairs? You guys do phone repairs? Okay, thank you.
We already tried the corner shop. We tried the corner shop.
They said that it's unfixable for them because they suck at repairing phones.
Okay, hey, let's go into this shop. Yeah, we're gonna be going into every shop asking.
Hi, do you guys do phone repairs?
No, we're a pet shop. We don't have phone repairs.
Oh, they said they're on the side.
Maybe the store beside us? We're a pet shop.
Oh no, that store we already tried. They said that it's unfixable.
Aw, well, we don't do that,
Do you
no.
guys have animals here?
We used to. We don't have it anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Just stuff.
Okay.
Okay, I hope you can fix your phone.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, have a good day, guys.
you too.
This guy's so like dog. Oh no. Yes.
Oh, this will be funny.
It smells.
Alright, what happened?
You guys do phone repairs here?
Which one phone? What phone you have it?
LG.
LG?
Samsung.
LG G6. Where is the motherboard?
We don't know.
We lost it, I think. Can you?
Did you drop the?
The phone just dropped.
We dropped it down.
Where is the motherboard?
We don't know.
I
The
dropped
phone.
it down the stairs on a 10-story
We dropped it down the stairs and it just exploded.
hotel. So you can't fix it?
Nobody can fix it.
Okay. Yo, you coming? Okay, don't throw the phone again.
Glass shot tonight. I don't give a shit.
Put it in your pocket then.
No, then I'm gonna get glass in my. Yes.
Oh, baby. Okay, we're about to go into the local barber shop.
I dropped.
But he's being stupid.
No.
He's being stupid, but this is the best video.
Hi, do you guys do phone repairs here?
What is it? Phone repair? No. If you go through the door and go all the way to the very end,
Oh, we tried there.
Yeah.
he's the only one that does it.
Oh,
Not
they
your shoelace.
oh, thank
No,
you.
or if not, you can Google. What, you can't fix it?
I know.
Yeah.
We're trying to fix
You
it.
have one of these things. Oh, take as much, yeah. Oh, yeah, take some.
Thank you.
Take some.
I don't want one.
No, take one. Okay. You can Google for repair, okay?
Okay, thank you.
For repair before you go anywhere.
Yes.
Yeah, we know.
Okay, good.
Front door open.
Yo, I almost. Yo, this is gonna be fun.
You guys do phone repairs here? Phone repairs? No. Oh, we tried those. They said those.
Yo, this video's honestly funny. After we do these last shops, we're going to McDonald's.
You got this phone repair. You got this phone repair. You guys do phone repairs here?
Okay.
Tell your customer that this flower shop sucks.
Yo, look at this.
I just ripped off one of your flowers. Let's go to Pizza.
Yeah. Yo, we're going to
This is where we're gonna go get our pizza today.
Oh yeah. Let's go to McDonald's.